Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your DualShock 3 controller and your DualShock 4 controller to your computer, to your Windows PC. So the first thing you want to do is get, if you don't have a mini USB cable, you need one because that's the cable the DualShock 3 controller uses, and this is the easiest way to connect it to your PC. So you need Steam, and once you connect your controller to your PC with a cable, you open Steam, you click on this Steam icon here, then go to settings, go to controller, and you should see a controller being detected. I don't have one plugged in now, but if you do, you see a controller being detected, and you can always change multiple settings and uh, if you have any particular preferences. Now, for the DualShock 4 controller. But before that, know that if you're playing a non-Steam game, you can always add it to Steam. You can add non-Steam games to Steam for controller support. Now, for a DualShock 4, what you want to do is there are two options. We have the wired and the wireless. So for the wired option, you can simply plug in your DualShock 4 with a micro USB to your computer, and that's basically it. It would work straight away. And if you want wireless, all you have to do is, let me get this here. Okay. Hold the share button, that's this button on the left, and the PlayStation button together. Once once you do that, you hold it for a while, and the lights should blink really fast. They would blink faster than if you had only pressed the PlayStation button. Once you see it blinking, you go to your Bluetooth settings on your computer, and you see a device, usually maybe a wireless controller. Although sometimes in my experience, I've seen it say Xbox wireless controller, even though it's a PlayStation controller. And you click on it, and you connect to it, and it should work with your computer. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.